Meaning of DirecTV.
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 DirecTV. DirecTV is a digital satellite television service provider in the United States. It offers a wide range of programming options, including sports, movies, and original content. The service is available in many areas throughout the country and can be accessed through a variety of devices, including televisions, mobile phones, and tablets. DirecTV is known for its high-quality picture and sound, as well as its user-friendly interface. With its extensive selection of channels and programming, DirecTV is a popular choice for those who want to enjoy a diverse range of entertainment options from the comfort of their own home.